dramas, and many more dances. Just we'll have a short break of nearly 20 minutes. And now I hand over the mic to my co-host Shirisha.
I, Sirisha, your host this evening, a warm welcome to you all. The galaxy of intellectuals, invited guests, parents, teachers, and my dear students, a pleasant good evening. I welcome you all to the 15th Annual Day celebrations and of course, Rainbow Fest 2020. Firstly, I want to congratulate the founders of Rainbow School, respected Shri Dr. Madhusudan Reddy Garu and respected Shrimati Dr. Pratibha Garu, Principal Madam, Vice Principal Sir, and my dear colleagues and dear students for the successful completion of 15 academic years. Rainbow is established with the motto, dare to dream and strive to achieve. And we strongly believe that every child is born with hidden talent and has bright future. As an aim to provide conceptual education and make standards in education, Rainbow always strives. Regular guidance, supervision, and attention of management puts Rainbow School at top. I mean, one of the best schools in Mahbubnagar. And on this occasion, I would also like to congratulate and thank Gautam Model School's chairman, respected Shri Venkat Narayana Garu, for their academic supervision. And now, let us begin this delightful, warm evening by inviting our Honorable Chief Guest of this evening. I request you all to bestow me with all the dedicated prayers to welcome the highly Honorable Chief Guest of this pleasant evening. Yes, I take this honor on behalf of entire Rainbow family to invite our Honorable Chief Guest, Registrar of Palamur University, Mahbubnagar, respected Shri P. Pavan Kumar Garu, onto the dais. I invite our escorting team to give a warm red carpet welcome to our Chief Guest, Registrar of Palamur University, Mahbubnagar, Shri P. Pavan Kumar Garu. Welcome, sir. And now, it's time to honor our chief guest. I invite head girl Srija and head boy Mahesh Nayak to hand over bouquet to our chief guest. Respected Shri Dr. P. Pavan Kumar Garu was an associate professor and head department of microbiology in Palamur University. He has more than 16 years of research experience and 5 years of teaching experience both at UG and PG level. He did his PhD from Kakatiya University. Dr. P. Pavan Kumar Garu worked for more than 6 years as a past doctoral fellow at CCMB. To his contributions, he was awarded Young Scientist Award by DST in 2009. To his credit, he was awarded 20 international and 33 national research publications in renowned journals. Earlier, P. Pavan Kumar Garu had served as principal of postgraduate college and examination controller in the university. He took part in various scientific research programs and guided many young scientists. And now, respected Shri Pavan Kumar Garu has been appointed as Registrar in Palamur University, had served the university for more than 10 years in different capacities. Thank you, sir, for your presence and making our day more glorious. And now, I take this opportunity to welcome our special guest, Gautam Model School's Chairman, Hyderabad, respected Shri M. Venkat Narayan Garu, onto the dais. I invite the escorting team to give a warm red carpet welcome to our respected special guest, Gautam Model School's Chairman, Shri M. Venkat Narayan Garu. I invite our students to honor our special guest with a bouquet. Gautam Model School, promoted and managed by Shri M. Venkat Narayan Garu. The academy currently has 60 schools, GMS sector in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. And now, I invite students to honor our correspondent sir, respected Dr. Madhusudan Reddy Garu with a bouquet. Respected Dr. Madhusudan Reddy Garu has did his MBBS from Kurnool Medical College and his post-graduation from the United Kingdom. He received Shushruta Hospital in 2001, providing various medical services. And now, I take this golden opportunity to invite our beloved Director Madam, respected Dr. Pratibha Garu, onto the dais. I invite escorting team to give a warm red carpet welcome to our Director Madam, Dr. Pratibha Garu. I invite our students to honor our Director Madam with a bouquet. Respected Srimati Dr. Pratibha Garu did her MBBS from Osmania Medical College and post-graduation from Chennai Stanley Medical College. Both couple, Dr. Madhusudan Reddy Garu and Dr. Pratibha Garu, started Rainbow School in 2005 with the intention of delivering good standard education. And now, one tree can start a forest, one word can frame a goal. A true leader has a confidence to stand alone. Yes, it's all about our beloved Principal Madam, respected Srimati Mamta Garu. I invite our Principal Madam onto the dais. I invite the escorting team to give a warm welcome to our beloved Principal Madam. And I invite students to honor our Principal Madam with a bouquet. Respected Srimati Mamata Garu is well known to take tough decisions and the compassion to listen to the need of others, and special of her by the equality her intent. I congratulate Madam for completing 9 years of career as a principal in Rainbow School on behalf of management and staff. And now, it's turn to invite our respected Vice Principal Sir. I would like to extend a gracious and inclusive welcome to our respected Vice Principal, Shri Naresh Garu, onto the dais. I invite escorting team to give a warm red carpet welcome to you, sir. Sense of commitment, dedication, responsible in fulfilling the work. These created platform for his growth. Thank you, sir. And now the next program, light symbolizes brightness and prosperity. It removes the forces of darkness and gives you positivity. Light gives new directions in life. With this noble thought, let us start this evening by lighting the lamp. I take this honor to invite our Honorable Chief Guest, Registrar of Palmore University, Mahbubnagar, respected Shri P. Pavan Kumar Garu to participate in Jyoti Prajolana, and I also invite other dignitaries to participate in this auspicious event. And I request Principal Madam and Vice Principal Sir to kindly lead this event.
లైవ్ నడుస్తున్నాడా సైడ్ కాలుతో
I request all the dignitaries to take back their modest seats. Thank you. Create happy memories, smiling and magical moments.